Hi, my name is Ashwini Kumar and welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see the complete details about the pen tablet from Wacom. So how to use this one and how to set up this one after purchasing, and what is the price of this one, and what are the things you are going to get along with this pen tablet once if you purchase. So all these details we are going to see right now in this video, and at the end of this video I am going to show you how to make the online classes with the help of this pen tablet. So before going into the details, please subscribe the channel to get the more videos from my side if you are not subscribed yet. So along with this pen tablet, first I want to show you my tax invoice or the bill. So I purchased this one almost 1.5 years back. Okay, and if you ask me the rating, I will give the 5 out of 5 or 10 out of 10. Why? Because it is wonderfully working and it is a very good weapon to all the online digital teachers or educators or lecturers. So here it is my bill at the time of purchasing. So I purchased this one on 11th May 2019, so it's almost 1 year. And here you can see the price of this one, 4,500. Of course, it is including all the taxes before tax. So the total amount before the tax is 3,813 rupees, and after including all the taxes, it became 4,500. Okay, so it is a tax invoice you are going to get. And now I'm going to show you what are the things you are going to get once if you purchase this pen tablet. So you are going to get this pen. So of course both these two works upon the pressure sensors, and here you can see that it is a needle in the tip of this pen. So this needle, that means you have to write like this, and this needle will stop working after certain days or weeks or months or years. It's based upon how much you are using this one for your online platforms. And anyhow, the Wacom will already give you the 3 more tips. Okay, so if once it is stopped working, then you have to replace this one with this, and this ring is helpful to pick out the tip from the pen. So these are the things you are going to get, and along with this one you will also get one USB cable. So this USB cable is used to connect from pen tablet to laptop. Okay, so now I am going to show you how to connect this. See, here you are having one pin here, and it is a cable at one end. So here you have to connect this one, and at the other end you are having this USB port will be there. So this cable we have to insert to the laptop. Right? So once after inserting, you need not to install any software here. You can directly work out. See, just take the pen, and once if this pen tablet is connected to laptop, then here this white LED will glow. It indicates that your pen tablet is working and it is connected to the laptop, so that now it is ready to use. So this pen tablet just replaces the mouse. So here if I am moving like this, here you can see the cursor is also moving, right? So here the cursor is also moving, and so it is a setup. That's it. You need not to install any softwares or nothing. So it is a setup, and I already told you that how to run your what we call digital or online classes means. So here go to the one note. So just click, type the one, and here you will get the OneNote for Windows, and click on that one. So it is a Microsoft OneNote, which is very much helpful for your online classes with some different colors. So these are all already done with my previous classes. So here I am going to show you just how to use. So here you have to move like this. So if you are moving like this on this pen tablet, then automatically here the cursor also moving. So just put any one screen recorder which records your class. You may get some Screencast-O-Matic or few free recorders are there. So just take any one pen and start your class. Okay, so you can use the different colored pens also here. Of course my handwriting is not well, so like that you can run your digital classes. So like that, this pen tablet will be very much helpful to the online educators. So it is a complete way of using this Wacom pen tablet. So what is the price, and how it uses, and how can you run your online classes through this pen tablet. So if it is a Zoom conference, or if it is some other any kind of some online education app, or if you want to record your videos and if you want to send to anybody of your friends or your students or your registered candidates for your courses, so you can record your course with the help of Microsoft OneNote, and after recording just make a MP4 file and send that file to your registered candidates. So it is a way of using this Wacom pen tablet. I hope this video will helpful to the candidates who wants to give the online classes with the help of some best tool. Okay, so for more videos and for more gadgets, subscribe the channel, and after subscribing tap the bell icon. Thank you.